deep beneath your feet, hidden inside a living underground empire. There is a creature that almost never stops reproducing. Not for hours, not for days, but for decades.
She does not hunt. She does not build. She barely even moves.
Yet millions exist because of her. This is the terrifying biology.
At first glance, the termite queen barely looks like an insect anymore.
Her abdomen has swollen into an enormous, pulsating, egg-producing machine, stretching far beyond the normal proportions of any termite.
Scientists call this extreme transformation physogastry.
Her body becomes so specialized for reproduction that survival itself depends entirely on the colony around her. Workers feed her, they clean her, they carry her eggs away. Without them, she simply dies. But without her, the entire colony collapses.
The queen's only purpose is relentless reproduction.
And she performs it at a scale that sounds almost impossible. Some termite queens produce one egg every few seconds, for years. Over time, that becomes millions of offspring. Entire underground civilizations created by just one body.
But this intricate system is not just about numbers. It is about efficiency.
Every termite inside the colony is born into a role. Workers gather food. Soldiers defend the nest. Winged reproductives prepare to create future colonies. And at the center, the queen continues producing life without stopping.
Most people never see the true scale of a termite colony.
Beneath the surface, entire megastructures are being built in darkness. Some colonies stretch for kilometers underground. Millions of individuals move through tunnels with near-perfect coordination.
Airflow systems actively regulate temperature efficiently.
Specialized chambers protect delicate eggs and fungus farms. Scientists have compared these colonies to living superorganisms.
Because individually, termites are quite fragile.
But together, they become something much larger. Evolution rewarded termites for cooperation.
Instead of individuals struggling alone, the colony functions as a single unit. The queen focuses entirely on relentless reproduction.
Busies. Workers sacrifice their own ability to reproduce.
To support the survival of the colony itself. This amazing strategy became so successful that termites now exist across nearly every continent on Earth.
In some ecosystems, they are among the most important recyclers.
Breaking down dead wood, returning vital nutrients to the soil.
Quietly reshaping vast environments found underground. But there is something profoundly unsettling about the termite colony.
Individual identity almost disappears within the collective.
Every termite exists for the survival of something larger than itself. Workers may spend their entire lives serving a queen. A queen they will never truly leave behind. Soldiers commit fully to defending tunnels they cannot escape.
And the colony never truly stops growing.
Expanding silently beneath the earth, year after year. Eventually, the colony reaches a critical, transformative stage.
Winged reproductives emerge by thousands, in massive synchronized swarms.
Most will die within hours, eaten by predators.
Destroyed by weather, but a few survivors will land.
They dig underground to begin again. A new empire hidden.
Somewhere underground tonight, another queen is waiting, still producing life without stopping.